Welcome to another adventure Alaska trip of ours. Number 18, we're going to check out the Chena Hot Springs, Fairbanks, KOA, and other spots. This is inside the lodge at Chena Hot Springs. There's also rooms to rent there. There's basically a big facility. You drive into it. The road ends at Chena Hot Springs. And beautiful place. It had camping. The big building to the right is their ice building, where you can actually have ice vodka martinis. You're gonna put on coats. This was a DC-6 plane named Charlie Brown. It was hanging up there with a, yes, it's a ladder truck, a fire truck. The bottom. It's told us for over 20 years. The fire truck, I have no idea. But it's a Quint. It has pump. It has water. And I was told it still works. Maybe it's the fire protection for the springs. But look, good grief, it's Charlie Brown. But that would greet you when you enter the hot springs. The plane flying through the air. And that's the ice building where they have, you can actually spend the night in there. And they have very nice grounds. They do harvest their own vegetables. This is inside one of the hot spring rooms. When you go outside, there's a couple of hot springs tubs to the right. Place to lounge around in. This is the hot springs itself. And it ranged from like 100 in spots to 104 to 5 in other spots. And just relaxing. So it's an indoor pool there. There's another couple hot tubs up on top. Now this is open year round. That's why it has the cover walked away. A little fast forward stuff here. And then it turned out to be a very nice day here that day. That's a walkway. This is the restroom where the shower and locker room facility. Got nice showers, locker rooms for $1 with coins. And you get to walk around the pretty big facility. It's a hotel motel area. There's actually RV spots you could camp in. They have guided tours of the facilities. They have hiking. They do their own. That doesn't look like the greatest corn in the world, but they do corn. They have tomato plants in the back. This is the dragon that's protecting everything. Watch out, that dragon's protecting. This is the entrance of the lodge. Should have showed this first, I guess. It was $20 a day for a day pass for the hot springs. Down there is hotels, or motels, I guess they call them. This is a resort map. Lots of walking. Had camping. Had an airfield. The Charlie Brown DC-6-8. And this is kind of an overview of a model of the park. And it's open year round. They do have some nice RV sites. Some have just 30 amp service. But most of it was dry camping. It was only like $18 a night. But that I think included access to the hot springs. This is me back at RV site at the KOA. This KOA is very nice. It's probably a 10-10 almost all the way around. The northernmost KOA must have 20 showers. There's 10 on this side and 8 on the other side. The showers just showers, and then there was some showers that had toilet facilities. This is some of the outside area. We walk over to the river. That was an indoor meeting room that looks right over to the Chena River. A nice patio, it had games. Of course, had a pet area, nice pet run area. You let them off leash, let them play around. And you can see how wide and long it is. Gravel. And this is the entrance, and there's a map of the park. Again, the northernmost KOA. And then the next day we end up going to Santa's place, Santa Claus house, the North Pole, Alaska. So yeah, this is where all the little carts go to. There's Mr. Claus and his get-up. And of course, some Mickey Mouse attire inside the store. The store is a pretty big store. It has every Christmas item you can think of, year-round. Of course, when we were there in June, we still had 188 days to shop before Christmas. Now the big Christmas tree, and Santa's out. And then Santa's also inside, you can take pictures with. And it's the Merry Christmas to all. And Mr. Claus is out there checking his list already. And Mr. and Mrs. give each other little hugs and kiss. And then from us, from Santa's Land, North Pole, Alaska. Of course, we've ran into the fire station. Welcome to the fire station, the North Pole Fire Department. The cookie jar here restaurant we ate was a recommendation. It was in Fairbanks. I had some basic hamburger thing. It's supposed to be their special. Chena had a French toast dish. It was part of the diners, drive-ins, and dives, Guy Fieri's place. The next evening, we ate at a different place, the Palace Theater Show, the #1 show throughout Alaska and Canada. It was part of our tour group meal. It was a great meal of bean, steak, salmon, or some music. So if you're in Alaska Fairbanks, check out the Palace Theater Show. It was really good. Good food and good music. Well, the music was good there. And this is Fairbanks, some of downtown. We'll see more of that in our next video. So please stay tuned for more travels of our Alaska tour. Again, thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe, comment, and like, and love and hugs to all.